Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Andrew, you are in a CryptoCamp channel, and today we still enjoy our life. We play tennis in the morning, driving outside, and now we have a morning tea, and it's so good time for talking about some important. We are going to talk about something every traders face sooner or later. This is emotional roller coaster of trading. It doesn't matter how you smart, how good your strategy, or how much you practice before. If you don't control your emotion, the markets will break you. And in this video I want to talk you through the full psychology cycles that almost every traders go through these cycles. If you ever blown up on account, panic in a trade, or taken too much risk, this is video only for you. By the way, make sure to subscribe this channel, because in the future we will talk a lot about psychology, because it's the most important things if you want to be a successful trader or investor. Because doesn't matter you will be investor or you will be a trader, you have to get three important things. First one is your strategy, second one is your risk management, and third one it's psychology. And today we start speaking about psychology. First time when you go in the markets, you are so fresh, you are so motivated, you are following your rules, and you are managing your risk. And when you get first losses, it's not problem for you. You accept them like a pro, like a professional trader, because you know that losses, it's a part of the game. And during this time, you are so confident, not arrogant, so confident, focused, but not fearful. And guess what next? How it's work? It really works. Your capital grows every day. You make so smart decision, solid trades, and you are not crushing pumps or revenge trading. You are so smart, and you have a really good strategy. And this is a golden phrase for every traders. But unfortunately, it's not last forever, and sometimes something happen with your trading plan, and you get mistakes, you get a loss, maybe big loss, maybe it was your fault, maybe it was just the markets. You forgot to place a stop loss, you accidentally open a huge position, not follow your risk management, and probably you have some tech problem. Maybe your computer broke, something problem with brokers, and something else. Whatever it was, the result is the same. You take a massive loss that wipes out not just your profit, but your emotional balance too. You like a diet, your psychology diet, and you feel shocked, confused, frustrated, angry, and yourself, maybe even ashamed. But it's a big problem for every traders. This is the first psychology break. You are not longer as you have been before. You are not longer calm trader, and you feel a psychology problem in this part of your trading life. And the next one, you can't accept your losses. You want to recover it. It's a feeling of revenge. And this is the big problem, because you want to come back your money so quickly. And what next? The most interesting things in a psychology cycles. Why? Because you want to recover your money so quickly. That's why you raise your risk, you totally break your rules, and you enter trades you normally wouldn't before. Even if your trades go in your way, for example, if you open long position and you have a profit right now, you have a profit, but you don't take the profits. Why? You can ask me. Because you don't just want a profit right now, you want to revenge. The most purpose for you, you want to come back all your money which you have 1 or 2 days before. I hope you understand me. And slowly you stop trading the charts. You don't see any charts. You start trading your account balance. You want to come back. You feel revenge, and you want to get back to the highest number your account even showed before. And that leads the next fall. The market moves against you, and you refuse to exit, and you hope, but the loss gets bigger and bigger until you close its pain or get liquidated. And in the future, after this situation, 100% you will lost all your deposit, and now you back to zero, or maybe what's the most worse than just lose the money. you feel empty, you feel depressed, you feel disappointed because you lost all your money and your psychology totally off. And finally, you step away, you take a break, you delete the application of exchange, and you swear for yourself that you will never trade again. This is the crash happen after the emotional cycles, and these cycles works for every traders. It doesn't matter you are rookie, you just first month in a trading, and you will go in these cycles maybe 5 times per day. But if I'm professional traders, I'm not a robot, I'm real person, I have an emotion, but I go into these cycles maybe once at 2 years. How to be more strong, you have to be know about these cycles. And how start again? If people go into these cycles and you start again, feel calm, and you tell yourself, now I know what to do. I learned a lot of lessons in my life, and you again start to follow your plan, you manage the risk, and your account starts growing again until new hit, until the cycles repeat. And this is the most important things, because if you know about these cycles, you have opportunity to avoid these cycles, because traders who don't know about these cycles, they don't have this opportunity. So how do you can escape this loop? You need to zoom out and stop focusing on the one trade. Think the terms of trade cycles and long-term performance. Use a trading journal, set maximum daily drawdowns, every time use stop losses, and don't give opportunity for you lose more than 1% of your all assets, and keep your risk low when your confidence is high, because it doesn't matter you believe in a trade or you don't believe in a trade, your risk have to be the same, and accept that losing is a part of big winning. And trading, it's more psychology than strategy. The markets doesn't beat you, you beat yourself, because only your psychology control you, not the markets. And that's why you have to control your emotions and you control your outcomes, because psychology for me it's 80% of your success in the markets. So I hope this video helped you a little bit, or maybe it's a big help for you to recognize something in yourselves. And let me know in a comment, have you ever gone through these cycles? But I think if you are a trader and you have some experience, you definitely go in these cycles, because every traders go to these cycles. And how did you break it? And don't forget, like this video, subscribe this channel, and share this video to another traders who need to hear it, and maybe try to read information yourself. So see you in the next video, and remember, you don't have to be a perfect person if you want to be profitable, and you just need to know some important rules, and you will be profitable. Take care and enjoy your life, and thank you for watching my video.